Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add collections on Facebook. Let's start. At first you have to open your Facebook app, and after that tap on your profile. Then you guys can find out the three dots. Tap on here, and in here you guys can find out archive. Once you tap on here, you can find out your archived post and stories. If you tap on story archive, then you guys can find out your older stories. And if you want to add a story collection, tap on the story that you want to add. Then just simply tap on feature. After that, you just have to tap on new if you want to add a new collection, or if you want to add it to other collections, you can also do it. Just tap on the collections and it will be automatically add with that collection. If you want to add a new collection, just tap on the plus icon, and then you can also name it by tapping on here. For example, I'm going to name it example, and then you can also add more by tapping on here. It will take you to your gallery. You can also select from your gallery, or you can also select from your story or from your post. For example, I'm going to choose this one and then tap on next, and after that tap on save. Now let's see the collection. So here is the collection that I have made right now. So this is the way to add a collection on Facebook app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.